So what's up guys, welcome to our another video. In this video we will discuss about basic C program. First of all, how program made. We can see in English language, alphabets makes words, words makes a sentence, and a sentence make a paragraph. Same thing applied in C language. Alphabets, digits and special symbols makes constant variables and keywords, and constant variables and keywords makes instructions, and some instructions make a program. Constants in C language divides in two parts, primary constant and secondary constant. In primary constant there are integer constant, real constant and character constant. In secondary constant there are array, pointer, structure, union, etc. We will discuss about those things later. Other side there are 32 keywords in C language. Here are those 32 keywords. We will also discuss about every keywords later. Now start our first C program to print my name. We can use Dev C++, Turbo C++, code blocks and other etc. software to run the program. Here we use Dev C++ to run the program. First of all, we need to write hashtag include stdio.h. Here stdio.h means standard input output header file. We should add the header file because in this header file all the function of keywords, constant and all type of variables is stored. So we need to add the header file at the first. After that we should write int main single bracket open single bracket close. It means the main function what we need to write starts now. Thereafter we need to write second bracket open. Here we only need to print our name. So there is one statement, it's called printf. So you need to write printf, printf single bracket open. All those things, those we need to show as output. Those things we need to write in double inverted comma. So you need to write printf first bracket open second inverted comma my name second inverted comma close first inverted comma close and semicolon. So this is the complete statement we need to write, and thereafter we need to close second inverted comma. It means the total main function is closed. Now save the program and first compile and then run the program to show the output of the program. So here we can see as we write in the program the word my name is printed as output.